I'm going to show you how you can easily add Authenticator to Discord. First, launch the Discord app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, go to the U tab at the bottom right side. Now tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, find and go to the Authorized Apps option in this list. Here, you will see all the authorized apps. To add or enable Authenticator, go back and tap Accounts. You will see the Enable Authenticator app and tap on it. After that, enter the Discord auth code here. Then navigate to the Authenticator app and copy the code provided here. The screen is showing black due to privacy reasons of the Google Authenticator app. Now paste the code into the Discord app and hit the Done button. In the end, you will see that you've successfully added Authenticator to Discord.